You're like, whoa, check this out. Look at this camera over here. Yo, I must be on TV or something. Whoa. Alright, listen up. Y'all don't know I'm the best elephant ever. There ain't no better elephant than me. You heard? Look at me. Look at my sexy pink trunk. I mean, have you ever seen anything like that? I'm the best elephant. Elephants are the best in general. And I'm the best of the elephants. So that makes me the best ever.
Rawr!
Whoa.
What the hell are you talking about over there, elephant? Man, you're too stupid. What the hell? Man, you look like a damn pig with a big nose. Man, what the hell, man? You know, everyone knows tigers are the best in the world. I should eat your ass.
Whoa!
What the hell?
I'm a bird. I'm a bird. Hey, watch me fly. I can fly. Watch me fly. I'm a bird. Oh, don't. Oh, Earl.
Oh, that's unfortunate.